Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 55 of Surah Al Aaraf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ادعوا ربكم تضرعا وخفية إنه لا يحب المعتدين. How you figure out that the first Hamza will take Dhamma? You will count your letters, 1 to third letter, 1, 2, 3, third letter. You will consider your third letter. If third letter has Dhamma, then give Dhamma on the first Hamzatul Wasl. Otherwise, give Kasra. So if you don't find Dhamma, you're giving Kasra. It's simple. So yeah, here you find Dhamma, so you're giving Dhamma on Hamzatul Wasl. Ud, Hamza is sharp, attached with Dal. Dal will get sifa of Qalqala, and Qalqala is very clear. Ud, Ru, Ain from middle part of your throat. For Dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Roab, Ra is with Takrir for Fatha upon jaws, and Ra is heavy because there is Fatha on it. Roab, for fatha upon jaws, and then when ra will be attached with ba, it will get sifa of shidda, and shidda means no flow of sound at all. Rabba, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Ta, very sharp sound, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Dad is heavy, for fatha upon jaws attached with ra will get sifa of tawassut first, and then second ra will get it both are heavy. Both raws are heavy. When it is attached with dad, it is heavy. When it has dhamma, it is heavy. Darru, darru. For dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Idgham with gunna, but idgham is nakis. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Khuf, for the circle lips attached fa, fa will get sifa for khawa. Khuf, yeah. Yeah, it's light. For fatha upon jaws attached ha will get sifa of rakha because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. And yeah, it is the ta. Circle ta is always changed into ha when you stop on it. In, for kasra, give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu, for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. You, yeah, is light. For dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Hib, ha, from middle part of your throat with hams. For kasra, give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off the makhraj. The makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Hib, wool, for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. For the circle lips, as you will touch ain, your lips should be in a straight position with tawassut. Ta, sharp sound. Deen. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. ادعوا ربكم تضرعا وخفية إنه لا يحب المعتدين. ومخرج of pause, circling your lips for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Tuf, for the circle lips attached fa, fa will get sifa of rakhawa. Si, focus kasra, give e sound with safir. Do, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Feel, for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. This fa is not any more long because it is attached with lam, and lam has tawassut. Hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws attached to ra. Ra will be heavy, and it will get tawassut. Why it's heavy? Because it has fatha before it. Ardi, for kasra, give e sound, make dad heavy. Ba, keep ba light, ain light. Because of dad, don't make these heavy. Ba, keep ba light for fatha upon jaws attached to the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Ain should be from middle part of your throat. Da for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Is Hamza is very sharp. Focus ragib e sound attached with sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa. It is heavy and it has safir. La 2 counts long. He a ham from middle part of your throat with hums. Focus ragib e sound. The sound is short. Ha 2 counts long. Wade makhraj of O. Circle in your lips as you will touch dal. Your lips should be in a straight position and give nice crispy qalqala. Wade for the circle lips, and ain should be from middle part of your throat nicely. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Khaw, cough is heavy. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws, and when you are attaching wow with wow, you are making soft because wow is lean. Found idgham with gunna nakisa idgham bagunna. Found for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ta is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. And ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran, so make sure you give itbaq, you lift your tongue up and place it on the palate. Ta ma for fatha upon jaws. It has made it 2 counts long. In Hamza is sharp, focus ragibi sound attached with nun will get sifa kunna. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Rah for fatha upon jaws, give takrar in ra, moderate takrar, not too long. Rah and ha will get sifa of rakhawa, ha from middle part of your throat. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Taw, ta is light, but lafz jalala will be light, heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, always long. He for kasra give e sound. Off is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Ri ra is light, make it 2 counts long. Boom, idgham with gunna, and this gunna is kamila. Boom, mi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached lam will get sifa tawassut. Muh for the circle ellipse attached ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is from middle part of your throat. C focus give e sound. Need. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad adat lis sukun. ولا تفسدوا في الأرض بعد إصلاحها وادعوه خوفا وطمعا إن رحمة الله قريب من المحسنين. مخرج of واو. Circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Well, مخرج of واو. Circle in your lips attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The gives up the sound in zal. Make it 2 counts long. You keep ya light for the circle lips attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is dhamma on it, and ra will get sifa of takrir and tawassut. Your C focus give e sound. Lur for the circle lips, as you will touch ra, your lips should be in a straight position. Ra will be light because there is kasra on it. Lur ri give tawassut first and takrar, and then make it light. Lur ya 2 counts long. Ha with hums from your middle part of your throat, the sound is short. Whoosh for the circle lips attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa. It has the first sheen and it is light. Ram iqlab, and this with gunna. Iqlab is with gunna. Ram bay, ya is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Bayna for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yeah, keep it light. Day, ya lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Rah, give takrar in ra and make ra heavy because there is fatha on it, and attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of hums, and it is from middle part of your throat. Rah ma and rakhawa. Rah ma for fatha upon jaws. T. For kasra, give E sound, then attach it. Ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. Hat, ha from middle part of your throat with hams attach it. Ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda. This shidda cut off the sound abruptly. Ta. Mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. The mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long. A hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Qal qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. As you will touch lam, your sound should be light, and tawassut will be there. Qalat for fatha upon jaws. Attach ta. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Sa give safir in scene for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ha middle part of your throat, make it 2 counts long with hums. Ba ikhfa, light ikhfa. You're keeping your tongue straight and keep holding the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of tha. Ta fi for kasra give E sound. Qa 2 counts long, make it heavy, and this is the heaviest level of making any letter heavy, so make it heavy nicely. Qa la ikhfa, this ikhfa is light. Suq for the circle ellipse attach it. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala. Suq na 2 counts long. Hu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Li for kasra give E sound, attach it. Attach and noon is long, 2 counts long. Hu the sound is short. Li for kasra give E sound. Ba for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Dim for kasra give E sound and then attach with meme. This is idgham with gunna kamila. Dim may. You are giving rakhawa on ya, and you are giving nabar. May. You are continuing the sound while giving nabar. You are giving the jump on of sound and giving nabar and giving rakhawa. May yi for kasra give E sound. If light, so keep your tongue straight and keep the sound in your nose. Give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp, and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. Keep your tongue straight. Keep your sound in your nose. Zal, give safin in za. There should be a buzzing sound in it. For fatha upon jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Zal na 2 counts long. B for kasra give E sound. Heel for kasra give E sound, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ma mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. A hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. F give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws, attach it kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. Raji, give takrar in ra for fatha upon jaws, the ra will be heavy, attach it jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Raji na 2 counts long. B for kasra give E sound. He 2 counts long. Ming, this ikhfa is like you are about to say ink, so ming kul. It seems like you are doing idhar, but it's very different sound. Ming kul for the circle ellipse, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lith for kasra give E sound and then attach it tha. Tha will get sifa of raqawa. Lith for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma short. Rots. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long all into 4. This is madarat lis sukun, and ta has sukun now. It will get sifa of hams. Ka, kaf is light for fatha upon jaws. The gives up zubain. Zal, make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short, and then attach it kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy. No ri, ra is light with the takrar for kasra give E sound. Jul for the circle ellipse, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mau, this wow is lean, so when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Mau Ta, two counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sick of the osut. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle ellipse, attach it meme. You will get sick of the osut. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The, for fatha upon jaws, attach it kaf. Kaf will get sick of shidda. The, ka, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ru. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two count long vowel into four. This is madad sukun. While keeping your sound in your jaw for long vowel, make sure you circle your lips nicely too. وهو الذي يرسل الرياح بشرا بين يدي رحمته حتى إذا أقلت سحابا ثقالا سقناه لبلد ميت فأنزلنا به الماء فأخرجنا به من كل الثمرات كذلك نخرج الموتى لعلكم تذكرون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.